My name is Abhishek Kumar Sinha. I'm state head for Maharashtra 1 and Goa region. And today we are gathered here for the launch event of our ANTHE examination. ANTHE stands for Aakash National Talent Hunt Examination. So as you know, Aakash was established in year 1988, and from the last 37 years we have our expansion at more than 400 locations. Currently, more than 4 lakh students are taking education from us and preparing for NEET, JEE Mains, Advanced, their board preparation and different types of school examination and Olympiads also. So we have been the number one choice among the students who are preparing for all these competition examination, and all these are backed with the excellent results year after year. And this year has been exceptionally good for us. Total more 27 students have scored under 100 AIR in NEET examination, and 10 students have scored under 100 AIR in JEE examination. And one of our student from Goa, Madgaon, Krisang, who scored all India rank 3 and was the Maharashtra topper. So as far as Goa is concerned, so first round has already been completed, and as far as our knowledge is concerned, 71 students have already confirmed their seats in GMC, and we are expecting many more. And so ANTHE is gateway to all these courses which we used to offer for at Aakash, for NEET, for JEE, and for Olympiad and Foundation. So as I was saying, so this year we are just here gathered here to launch the ANTHE event, and through this examination students can avail the scholarship up to rupees 250 crore. We have planned to give a scholarship for 250 crores this year, along with 2.5 crore of cash awards. So ANTHE is it's just not the recognition of the talented students, but we are here to give the financial aid to all the deserving students. And you will be amazed to know last year total 13.6 lakhs students registered for ANTHE, and more than 10 lakhs, actually its number is 10.2 lakhs students appeared in this ANTHE examination last year. And this number is the total number of JEE aspirants this year who gave the JEE Mains examination in April schedule. So you can just check the skill of ANTHE examination and how widely this is popular among the students. So as I have already mentioned, ANTHE has the schedule of ANTHE has already been released and registration has been started, and the cost of this examination is rupees 300 but for early bird we are giving early bird offer, and with a 50% of discount fee. And the examination is in both the mode, online and offline. The online examination is scheduled from 4th of October to 12th of October. The student can select any 1 hour slot among these days, and offline examination is scheduled on 5th of October and 12th of October, and result will be published in late October and first week of November itself. So all the students who are willing to join MBBS, GMC and MBBS colleges and different IITs and NITs and wants to excel different Olympiads, they are mostly welcome to write ANTHE, and all the best and good luck for ANTHE.
My name is Puneet Mehra. I am the Regional Sales and Growth Head for Goa and Maharashtra. So this exam is for scholarship, as the sir said, and one another thing which sir said, it's a talent hunt exam. So what we do, we are visiting mostly all the schools, and we are visiting and doing seminars, career counselings. We are providing career counseling to each and every student, how they should select their career, what are the processes to select their career, and to achieve your goals. Then we are introducing this ANTHE examination. So this exam is for those students who are really willing to become doctor or engineer, but they are financially weak also. So this exam is the best thing available in this country for all the students who are really aspiring to become doctor or engineer, but financially they are very weak. So I am again inviting and welcoming all the students who really wants to become doctor or engineer. Please participate. They can become doctor or engineer without any rupee also.
We are at Panjim, Madgaon, Mapusa, Ponda, and last year we have started our operation at Sankilim also. So again, result of Goa this year at NEET, 9 out of top 10 students are Aakashian. So results has been always excellent, and means self-obvious if you check. And again, I think more than 7 to 8 students have opted this year, has gone to IIT this year from Aakash Goa itself. So apart from ANTHE, we are also launching our one of the extreme prestigious examination this year called Invictus Ace. So Invictus is a specially designed program for those students who are willing to join nothing less than IIT as far as engineering is concerned. So this is a well advanced program designed by us, and will be we have a different type of study package and teaching delivery and sets of faculties and for this program. So students who are willing to go to IITs, they can opt for Invictus Ace also. So Invictus Ace is scheduled in the month of September only, 24th September and 24th August and 31st August and 7th September. We have assigned 3 dates for offline examination for Invictus Ace, and again online examination, online slots is also possible. So for engineering students, they have 2 scholarship examination. First one is Invictus Ace, through which they can avail 100% scholarship, and they can write ANTHE also.
We have Goa state topper with us in NEET exam, and apart from that, Krishank Joshi, who has secured rank 3, is also from Goa. He was our foundation student, and I can very proudly say that he was an ANTHE student. Rishabh Talvatkar was an ANTHE student. In JEE results also, we found that our ANTHE students have done really excellent. Sonali has done excellently, and she is now joining IIT Chennai. So ANTHE exam is really a gateway to IITs and different medical colleges across India, different prestigious medical colleges. In past year also, we have found that our ANTHE students have really done very well. Currently, as sir has pointed out, we are serving 6 locations. Recently, we have added 1 location at Sakli. So 6 locations. So at all these locations, we will be conducting ANTHE exam. And last year also we did conduct ANTHE exams, and students across the Goa have participated in this exam wholeheartedly. And many students have availed 100% scholarship, and means all the students are benefiting from this course. This exam provides the students an opportunity to you can say compete at all India level. There are very few such exams which actually allow the students to compete at all India level. So students of Goa get an opportunity to compete amongst their peers. Say for example, a student who is in class 7th and is writing ANTHE exam can compete with all the class 7th students across India. So we provide the all India rank to all the students amongst their peers. So it gives a great is a great benchmarking tool also, where the students can find their position across India at different levels of their education. So every year when we conduct our ANTHE exam, we motivate our students as well as the students who enroll for ANTHE exam to excel and please check their position amongst their you can say peers across India. So again, as Puneet sir has pointed out, that this exam provides the students who are financially weak to avail great scholarship, in fact cash rewards also. So I welcome all the students of Goa to write this exam with after doing good preparation, so that they can avail good scholarship, free ship, cash rewards, etc. So that's all from my side. Thank you.